Welcome! Today we're going to connect your Brother HL-L2467DW to a mobile device on a wireless network. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. You will need to gather some information about your wireless network in order to connect your machine. You will need to know the SSID, or network name, of your router or access point. And you'll need to know your network key or password. The default settings for your router or access point can be found on the equipment label. If your SSID or network key contains both uppercase and lowercase letters, be sure to record them, as both of these credentials are case sensitive. If you've set up a custom SSID and network password and cannot recall this information, please contact your router manufacturer. Setup cannot be accomplished without this information. Begin by pressing the Wi-Fi button. Press the up or down arrow repeatedly until the Find Network option appears on the LCD window. Then press OK. If the WLAN Enable message appears, press the up arrow to select On. Your Brother machine will now search for available wireless networks. Please note that if your network is set to hide the network name, you'll have to manually add your network name. Use the up and down arrows to select your SSID or network name, and press OK. Enter your network key using the up and down arrows. Repeated presses on the keys will cycle through the available characters. Press OK after each character to enter it. Confirm that your network key is correct, and press OK. When prompted to apply settings, press the up arrow. After the connection process is finished, you'll need to go to either the App Store or the Play Store and download the Brother Mobile Connect application in order to print and access other features of your machine from your mobile device. Press Add a Machine on the app, and be sure to select Register your machine to select your model. You are ready to print and scan with Brother Mobile Connect. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.